First and foremost, we should not have invited the foreign minister of this country called Afghanistan, which is run by men who are against women. They don't let women go to school. They don't let women get health care. They cover up the women. They have no rights there. So I fail to understand that our diplomacy has gone down so low that we need to invite him. And they fail to keep up to the norms of this country where we believe in gender justice. Every press conference have women as well as men journalists. Why didn't the government of India take it up with them and say, listen, we need our women journalists will also attend. And this is on our soil, whatever said and done. Any foreign country, even if it's their embassy, should follow the rules of the country which hosts them. So we condemn this. Mr. Narendra Modi and the rest of the Bharatiya Janata Party speaks up and says, we gave this to Muslim women, we did that. But here, normal women cannot get justice. Yes, that's what I'm saying. We condemn this. This is definitely an insult to women of India because there is no gender justice here. And why was it allowed? I condemn this wholeheartedly. No, why did you invite them? Why did you invite them? Forget they're saying that we do not have a direct role. Why did you invite a foreign minister of a country which does not recognize women and women's rights? They don't allow the education of women there. So you should not have this. Where have we gone from the time of the UPA, where we were very close to the Americans? We were close to the European Union. We were close to Southeast Asian countries. So we were close to many other countries, and now our closest friends are Israel and Afghanistan. You can understand what has happened to international diplomacy. Well, I certainly feel that such people should not be invited anywhere in India. That's my personal thing. Because in Islam, women and men are equal. When we go around the Kaaba, men and women, when we do the tawaf, men and women go shoulder to shoulder. There is no different timing for men and different timing for women. And the first surah in Islam says, Iqra, means to read, which they do not allow. So I do not know on what basis they have been invited.
भारतर एकमात्र परीक्षित बायोसार पृथ्वी प्रो माटी को रखे सुस्थ दिए नुआ जीवन धान पनीपरिबा और डाली जातीय फसल पाई लाभदायक अमल बढ़ाए रोग कमाए आज ही जमी रे प्रयोग करंतु जोगाजोग पाई 9937054201 नंबर को डायल करंतु आम सह जोड़ी हेबा पाई आमको लाइक फॉलो और सब्सक्राइब करंतु अधिक अपडेट पाई विजिट करंतु आम वेबसाइट thequiver.in